Hey guys, ready for something amazing? Golden hour is pure magic. It's that special time when the sun paints everything gold. Happens twice a day, sunrise and sunset. Photographers love this time. It's great for taking stunning pics. Nature puts on a show for us. The sky turns orange, pink, and purple. Clouds catch fire with color. Shadows get long and mysterious. It only lasts about an hour, but it's worth waking up early for, or staying out late to catch it. Golden hour makes ordinary things look extraordinary. It's a reminder of nature's beauty. So grab your camera and enjoy the show. See you next time.